it's good to get original sound for your page or your channel. Just make sure, if you are a content creator, make sure you have your own sound. If you don't have your own sound and you wanted to have one, please just DM me. Okay, you need sound for your channel, you need sound for your Facebook page, for your videos, for any of your content that demands sound. Please make sure you use original sound, because if you don't use original sound, you will be strike. Your video will be flagged for unoriginal content or copyright. Okay, so whatever you are doing, as long as you're a content creator, it's good to be unique, it's good to be authentic. And the better ways to do it is, first of all, to have your own sound, and then to have your own content, your own original content. If you can be able to achieve all this, believe me, they will not demonetize your channel and they will not terminate your page. Okay, so always have your channel, always have your videos uploaded with your own sound. Okay, don't take another person's sound. YouTube frowns on it and Facebook frowns on it. If you're going through difficulties on how to get it, please DM me. Make sure you get in contact with me so that we'll get it done. In some hours, you get your own sound and you enjoy your videos. And then anytime somebody comes across your video, they will know, without even see your face, they will know, yeah, this is this particular person, because your sound is original, your sound is unique. They always enjoy your sound. So it's either you tell me what you want or I'll create one for you. Okay, either ways, you are going to get your service done. Okay, so whatever you are doing, you content creator, stop being terminated. Stop being terminated from your channel or from your page because of unoriginal content, or because of the video that use another person's sound. It's not good to take another person's sound. It's theft, okay, to use another person's sound on your video. So make sure you get your own sound. And if you need me to take you through the Facebook or YouTube monetization, please always contact me, both for your followers or management of your page. Anything that concerns monetization on your page or your channel, please get in contact with me. Tell me what you need and I will get it done for you. Except if by this time you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just do so. And for the returning subscribers, I always appreciate your presence. Okay, I always appreciate you. I can't thank you enough. Okay, so that is the good news today. Make sure you get your own sound for your own content. That is originality. Okay, if they know that this is your sound, and if they know that this is your original content, they will not waste time to approve any of your monetization applications. Okay, so always get all this. It's just a tip. That's what I come with today. A good news. Okay, so many people don't know how to go about it. So they goes about stealing people's sound, put it on their videos, and they will be wondering, why is my page flagged and why is my channel terminated? Why are they giving me warning? My dear, they are giving you warning because of the copyright issues, because of somebody's song you use on your content. That is the reason why they are sending you such message. So if you want to avoid all those red flags, all those red bad marks on your channel, make sure you get your own sound. I can do that for you. Okay, so in case you are going through anything also on your social media space, please don't hesitate to let me know. If you're going through issues, maybe you are trying to monetize and it's getting, you are finding it difficult, you don't know how to go about all these things, please make sure you always get to me and I will get it done for you. A trial will convince you. That's our job, to render services and to render help. If we don't do it, who will? Okay, so that's just the good information I brought to you today. My name remains Kingsmancy Mbamara. If you've not subscribed, subscribe so that you'll be the first to just make sure you put on notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I drop a new video. My video is always tutorial, is always helpful for you, for your channel and for your page. So do yourself a favor and do me a favor also to always subscribe and always come around each time you hear the notification of my video. Thank you very much. I love you.